In this video, I'm going to show you how to make image black and white in Photopea. Start by opening your project in Photopea and make sure the image you want to edit is already placed on the canvas. Once your image is ready, go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the New Adjustment Layer icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the black and white option. As soon as you click it, your image will automatically convert to black and white using default settings. You can immediately see the change applied to your image, and if you want to preview it more closely, you can hold the spacebar and drag the canvas to compare different areas. In the Properties panel, you will see multiple color sliders such as red, yellow, green, cyan, blue, and magenta. These sliders allow you to control how each color translates into grayscale. Moving a slider to the right will make that specific color appear lighter in the black and white version, while moving it to the left will make it appear darker. This gives you full control over contrast and tonal balance, allowing you to create a more dramatic or softer effect depending on your preference. Once you are satisfied with the adjustments, you can simply close the Properties panel. If you are working with multiple images and you only want the black and white effect applied to one specific layer, right-click on the black and white adjustment layer and choose Clipping Mask. This will apply the effect only to the layer directly beneath it. So make sure your intended image layer is placed right below the adjustment layer. This method keeps your edits non-destructive and easy to modify later if needed. And this is how you can make image black and white in Photopea.